Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to generate videos with VEED AI. So let's get started. First open the VEED AI on your web browser, then explore the homepage and click the Start for free. Before diving into editor, check out all the built-in features. The vid has come a long way, making video editing fast and seamless. Then the vid's intuitive editor makes everything simple. The layout is clean and user-friendly with all the tools accessible from the left-hand menu. Here's how I edit the videos. Set up the project settings like the size, frame, rate, and more. Upload the media, your images, videos, avatars, or music. Then customize the branding, like the fonts, the colors, the logos for consistency. Enhance the audio, clean the background noise, and improve the clarity. And you can generate an customized subtitle for accessibility and engagement. And lastly, you can add effects and transitions to make the video more dynamic. So what I love most with the Vid AI isn't just a basic, but it's the AI powered tools that save time and effort. Here's some of my favorite time saving features. Number one, it has an AI avatar creation. It can generate an avatar of yourself to appear in your videos. It can also automatically create a viral, ready short and reels from longer videos. You can also type a description and Vid generates a full video with voiceover and subtitles. If you lose your eye contact with the camera, there is a feature that's called eye contact correction. The vid fixes it with AI magic. Also, the AI provides you a background removal. No need for expensive software. Remove the backgrounds in seconds. You can also have an auto subtitle translation. The Vid AI will instantly translate caption into multiple languages. So the Vid AI powered editor handles with steady use stuff. You can focus on content creation, and it will automatically trims bad takes and awkward pauses for a polished edit. It also enhances sound quality by removing the background noise. It automatically detects and removes a long silence. And lastly, it can generate a professional sounding narration in multiple languages and tones. No more heavy rendering or complex software. Just upload, edit, and export with minimal effort. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.